Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to see the topic factors and multiples, which is the fifth chapter in your math book. First is factors, then multiples, and finally we'll see about the test of divisibility. So, factors. So, before going into the properties of factors, we'll just see what is factor. Yes, a factor of a number divides the number completely without remainder. When you divide a number with a number, you should get the answer without remainder. The quotient should be there with zero remainder. So that is that divisor and quotient will be the factors. You want the explanation? Yes, the factors of 12. So how can you write factors of 12s? When two numbers is multiplied to get a product, those two numbers are said to be factors. Say for example, 1 12s are 12. So 1 and 12 are multiplied to get 12. 1 is one factor and 12 is another factor. Here 2 is one factor and 6 is another factor for 12. And also 3 is a factor, 4 is again another factor for 12. So these are all factors of 12. So at last I am saying 1, this 2, this 3, 4 in order I am writing. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All these are factors of 12. Okay. So that could be, the 12 can be placed in this way. So it is in one line with 12 or two lines with 6, 6 and three lines with 4, 4 and even four lines with 3, 3, but I have not done here. You can imagine by yourself. So 4 lines with 3, 3. Then here 6 lines with 2. That also will come. Then 12 lines with just 1, 1, 1 in each. That also will do. So this all 6 types we can keep. I have done only 3 for you. So in that way it can be written. It can be given the picture. So the factors are 12 can be written in this way. So what are all the numbers, what are all the tables you can use to get the product 12? So that is going to be your factor. So 12, you can, in a simple way, the 12 comes in 2, 3, 4, 6 and even 12 table for one time. So definitely I will say any factor you take, this 1 is, because 1 is the product of any number. For all the numbers, 1 will be definitely a factor. And also we can say the same number is also a factor of a number, because when you multiply it for one time you get the same number. 1 12s are 12. That is always there for all the numbers. So any number you take for factors, then 1 and the same number will be the factor for sure. The remaining numbers you will have to find out by using the multiplication table. Okay. So next, these are the numbers given in your exercise. So I have just worked it out for you to understand. So this is for 35, this box, this is for 81, this is for 64 and this is for 72. So 35 I am just checking. For first one time I have written as it is. Then after 135 are 35, I am checking in 2 table, I am not getting. So I left 2 table. Then 3 table 3 I'm checking, no. In 3 table also 35 is not there. Then 4 table, no. Then comes 5 table, yes, 5 sevens are 35. So I'm writing it. Then 6 table is not there. Then 7 table I am getting. 7 fives are 35, but this is repeating. 5 sevens are 7 fives are. When the number repeats, no, you will just stop, because there only our factor ends, because it starts repeating again. Again, see this 35 into 1. This first set repeats 35 into 1. So when the number repeats, I will just stop there itself, and that is going to be a factor. That is 1, 5, 7, 35. Only those are, when they are repeating, we are not going to write another time. So only one time we are going to write. So 1, 5, 7, 35. So these are the factors 1, 5, 7, 35. Similarly for 81, I am finding 1 times as usual, 3 2 times I am not getting, 3 times 27, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I am not getting, then finally I am getting 9 times. So when I checked 9 nines are 81. So this also should be, you will have to check when it is same number, we will stop there. When you get the repeating also, we'll stop there. When you get the same 9 nines, 4 4, 6 6, 3 3, like that, if you get, you will stop there only. And the remaining, and the numbers which are here, you will be taking. Say for example, 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. These are our factors. So it will go like, like this way. L, L like this. 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Similarly, this one, it is 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 8 table I am getting. So when it is 8 eights are, I am just stopping because both the numbers are 8. So 8 eights are 64. So now here I am writing 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, 32, 64. Like this, it will come like this and it will go like this. So it's like U. It's like our alphabet U. You will have to take and write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Then for 72. Again I am trying, 1 table I am getting, because it is an even number, we can expect in all the even numbers. So 2 table will get for sure. Then 4 table, 6 table, 8 table, all this it comes. Then 9 and then 9 table it comes, so it is repeating. So I am stopping over here and I am just taking like you all the numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Then 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. Okay, yes. Similarly, this is the division. By using division, they have given you one exercise. Mostly we won't do this method. We'll be doing only for some multiplication. Just for you to know and understand, I'm giving this. So here 63 you divided by, you divide and check. When you divide it, you should not get the remainder, keep it in mind. That number only we'll have to enter over here. So divide the 63 with 2, I am getting remainder, so I am not putting that. So divide the 63 by 3, I am getting 21. Then 4, no. 5, no. 6 also, no. But 7, I am getting 9. 9, I am getting 7. So when it is repeating, I am just stopping over there. And I can take like this U. See, like this. But for you to understand, I have written like this. I have written fully. Okay, so I have written 2 more extra. The same thing is repeating. Because 63, you already know the same number divided by the same number, you will get 1 as a quotient or 1 as your answer. So 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 63 divided by 9 is 7. This is repeating this 2. Anyways. And here one more also will come. 63 divided by 21 is 3. That also will come over here. Okay. Yes. So the numbers will be repeating like this. See, the same set of numbers will repeat. That's why we stop when it is repeating. Here itself 7 and 9, 9 and 7. So here it will reverse and repeat. So again this, see 1 3 7, here 7 3 1. So we can better stop here and we can write like this U. All these numbers U you can take. It's your wish. If you want, you can do like this even for multiplication. For 75 I have given like this. Then again for 14 I've checked with all the numbers, and without reminder number I have taken. When it is repeating, I'm just leaving it. Or when it comes for exactly 14 divided by 14, the same number divided, I'm just stopping. Here also that happens. For all the numbers, it is the same number. When it comes, I'll just stop. So these are the numbers which you divide, no? That is our factor in everything. So the number which you divide or the divisor becomes the factors. Okay. So next is the common factors. They are asking for the two numbers. So 35 and 45 over here. So I have written all the factors of 35 and all the factors of 45 by using multiplication method. I've just taken, if you can also do it in the rough column and take it and write it over here. So factors of 35 is this and factors of 45 is this, and they are asking common factors. It is very easy. We can find out the common numbers. Here it is 1 and 5. For this sum, I have written for 9 and 12. For 9, it is 1, 3 and 9. For 12, it is this one, this much. So in this, 1 and 3 become common factors. And everywhere, anywhere you go, 1 is one of the factor. Common factor also, it will be, the 1 will be there. And ordinary factors, if they also, 1 will be there. The factors of 15 and 20, again 1 and 5 I am getting. So in this way, you will have to write all the factors and then compare. When you get the same number, that is going to be your common factor. Which two numbers are coming in this or same number or in the factors, you get that to be the common factor. Okay. Then which of the following are not the factors of 36 they have asked. So what I'm doing, I'm just writing all the factors of 36. These are all the factors of 36. Among this, I'm just checking 4 is there. Yes, 4 is there. So it is there. 8, no. So 8 is not a factor. I'm writing as answer because they're asking for no factors of 36. 10, yes, 10 is not there in this. So 10. Then 12, yes, it is there. 6, yes, there. 2, yes. 18, yes. 16, no. So I am writing here. So these are all not the factors of 36. If you are able to write all the factors, then only you can compare and find which is not a factor and we can write it. Okay, the first step will be writing all the factors, and then in that you will be comparing and finding. Okay, and in this they have given you two set of numbers and they are asked to find the common factor, and they are asked us to write which is the least or smallest and which is the greatest. Very easy. We can just find the factors of 24, factors of 30. Okay, then writing all the factors over here. In this, which is the smallest 1 and which is the greatest 6. That is our answer. So they are asking the factors, which is the smallest factor, greater factor. These three are our answer. Okay. And next, the even factors, the number which ends with even numbers or even factors. So I am writing all the factors, that all the even numbers I have taken here. Here also they are asking odd factors. So I am writing all the factors in that all are odd. So I am writing all the factors are odd. Then this factors of 55 is even or odd. Yes, 55 even or odd? Yes, it is odd because the last digit only we will check for even or odd. Always keep it in mind. It may be of any number, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. We will check only the ones place, that is the last digit. So I'm checking, I'm getting all the factors are odd. These are all the factors. Okay, with that I think we are completing factors. In the next video, I'll send the multiples and divisibility. Okay. Yes, ma. Thank you.